Explanation. The sun and the rain, in fickle weather, were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say good bye, and lo! a rainbow spanned the sky. The sun and the rain were chasing each other from their hiding places, as if they were playing hide and seek. The weather changes quickly. Finally they meet each other to say good bye, and at the same time a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky, spreading from the one end to the other of the sky. The poet describes this game as hide and seek. Word meanings: 1. Fickle means something that changes quickly or suddenly. 2. Chase, run after somebody to catch that person. 3. Spanned, spread from one end to the other.